Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Brenda Davis, Scrappity Doo Dah. I'm over here by the church behind my house and I am enjoying some little bit of nature right now. There's part of the church. They got a few weeds right here. This looks like a great big sunflower coming up right there. Isn't that pretty? But I'm out here. It's really cool. We had a huge storm last night and thought I'd come and get some walking in. Just sitting here enjoying the outdoors. I love nature. It is so relaxing to be outside and walking. There's some equipment to work out on. We got some tables and little chairs here. We got a few houses over there. And over on this side is another lake, which we'll go over there right now. Okay, we're over here now on the other side. It is so relaxing here. We have a little bit of a breeze. We did have a huge storm last night. But other than that, it is very beautiful here. It's kind of a little bit overgrown. This part over here is pretty much mowed down. And here's the area where we can sit and relax and watch the lake. This is part of the walking path, and the lake is over on the other side of these trees. And I will be showing you another side of this. I say it's a lake. I don't know. It's more like a huge pond, I guess. So let me show you another area of it. Here's another area of this lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. It is so relaxing here. It's so beautiful. Just out doing a little walking. Here's another part of the walking path. Here's some more area of the lake. Let me know if you like nature videos. I just love nature and I love to walk. So I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, guys.